Hi friends, I am Ravindra Prasad Pedi. Today I am explaining about uh, it is a subject name professional skills for business analysis, and I am explaining about the task. It is a Medigood health insurance scheme. Actually, the Medigood insurance scheme is divided in the following parts. There is some tasks. Then there is a following tasks are here. First one is a stakeholder analysis. In stakeholder analysis there is a few parts are there. Stakeholder present, actually ceo means he's a head of all the operations at Medigood. His visions to success of this project. And next one is the managers play a big role in ensuring the product returns the investment amount. And the next one is the project team. So there is a few more are there. First one is a project or team manager. The project manager will play the part of ensuring that team members are together to actualize, meet the set requirements, and the project manager will set the required budget and resources. And next one is the regulator. He or she will ensure the quality enforces to the end, and that this is the legal organization and government standards must be enforced and none should be broken. And the next one is designer and developer. Designer and developer will be used for the package. These both will developer and designer must be conservant with different tools and software production. And the next one is the software tester. The quality of the product developed will be tested. The software tester will ensure the quality tested is in relation to product producer. And the following next one is the users. User means the customers who will use the system. Actually there is a customers, the people who will use the product benefits themselves are placed here. The customer presents for these products like medics, patients, hospitals, and insurance company. And the one more task in this system are product vision statement. First one is the problem description. Description in the sense the system has failed in offering service at different instance. In the sense the reality has motivated the improvements of the current system. Means it faults experienced with current system. The system had two parts. This is the manipular part and the automated parts. Manipular storage was also a problem and it led document damage, and hence this is also a problem giving quality service. And the next one is the system capabilities. System capabilities in the sense the problem stated above the resulted to a need having fully automated with the following capabilities. The package will be able to produce quality or report who will be used to make decisions. Decisions in the sense graphically represented to help in giving more insight in decision making. Good storage will be implemented to store information fetched. And the next one is well stored information can be easily distributed one point to another point. The store mechanism will help in the process of transmitting appointments and claim information. And next one is business benefits. Actually the business will do for the benefits from the system capabilities discussed above. The following benefits will be realized. The cloud storage enforced will enforce the data security, enforce the same time. This will hinder hackers from the accessing data. and the module created will be used for instant payments when payment claim forms are fully completed. And 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 the task 3 is a main important one, as is process flow diagram. In the as is flow diagram, there is a three systems are there. First one is the patient, and the second one is the doctor, and the third one is the specialist. When the patient go to the family doctor, and he will check as, then after he will refer to the specialist. If you have any problem, he will refer to the specialist. This is called as is process. Means first one, it is a telehealth system, and the next one is the product backlog. In the product backlog, it will be used to help stakeholders understand product requirements before implementing it in the both technical and non-technical. Actually, there is a admin, patient, doctors, admin, then after product admin, insurance company admin. These are product backlogs. Then after we can discuss about backlog categorization. Masco analysis standard for things functionally one most implementing system. The backlog activities would be categorized using Masco method for prioritization. It is called priority must implement. In rank, I want to show that these are the main implementations should implement. And then after we can go to task 5. It is a 5 use case diagrams. First one is the name of use case. It is the monitor search payment, and second one is the scenario start search of payment process, and third one is the triggering event admin and the insurance company input payments search details, and the fourth one is the brief description enter payment details, and the fifth one is the actors, sixth one is the stakeholders, and the seventh one is the precondition, the eighth one is the post condition, ninth one is the flow of activities. In the there is a two systems, actor and the system. Actor belongs to enter payment details, and system belongs to produce payment outputs. And the 10th one is the exception conditions. It is the unwanted input will be produced unwanted outputs. And next after monitor appointments, and there is also same like previous one, there is a 10 cases. And then after alert doctor in the sense same like same situations, name of use case, scenario, actors, stakeholders, expectation conditions, same like that one, previous one. And then after we can discuss about search for specialist. In this one also same scenarios, same like that one. And next after accept or reject consultant information, and this one also admission through the system will be capable of rejecting and initiated or a booked appointment. No, the appointment will be declined. And, and the last one is the five object clauses. These five means insurance officer, then after telehealth equipment, then after payment, doctor, specialist. These are the five object clauses. This is the assignment one. The entire document di- divided into these following parts in this Medigoods health insurance scheme. Thank you.